What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Vussy Magz back at it with another one, man. Listen, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. Know what I'm saying? If you're really being subscribed, you already know what it is, man. Welcome back to the channel. You already know what it is, fam. So agenda of the day is money. You already know what it is, man. So check this out. In today's video, I'm gonna make this real quick, right? This isn't gonna be one of my longest videos or whatever. This is gonna be a quick video because I should have dropped the analysis video yesterday, but I couldn't upload it yesterday. So obviously today, I just want to give you 3 to 4 charts that you can look at and hopefully make money this week, right? You don't have to be part of my VIP signal service to make money. Even if you're trading, as long as you subscribe to the channel, I'm always going to make sure I take care of you guys too, right? But if you want the VIP treatment, you're obviously going to have to go join my VIP signals. It also includes mentorship, and it's also from now until the end of January. Yeah, so from now until the end of January, it's going to be once-off fee, which is the 30 something US dollars. I'm not sure. You're gonna have to check in the description box, man. Otherwise, let's go ahead and check out today's charts, right? Alright, so in today's analysis video, we're gonna look at the AUD USD, we're gonna look at the Euro USD, and the USD CHF also. Alright, so first things first, fam, we're gonna look at the AUD USD. And before I even go on with this video, I just want to let you guys know on a disclaimer that, like, where I'm at, like, I'm very close to the road, right? I'm very close to the road. So if this video sound quality isn't the best, you guys are gonna have to pardon me on this one, but I was just at a position where I need to make this video for y'all before these pairs actually take off, right? So just bear with me through the noise quality and stuff like that. Let's get it. First things first, we're gonna look at the AUD USD. The AUD USD has been a chart that we milked last week, but I just want to show you what's going on here, and I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit. So if you look at it on the daily time frame now, this is what we've been following, right? So we've been having this downtrend that you can see here. We're at a peak there on the 1st of September. We're at a low, the lower high, and then the lower low, right? Then we had a lower high again, but then we had kind of reached our plateau here, which kind of means like this was the major support zone. You understand? This is the major support zone. We could never break below this level again, right? So knowing that, fam, the market obviously went and broke out here, and then we made a new high. When we made a new high, the market was consolidating here, which kind of looked like a flag pattern when you look at it on the daily time frame. But now when you go to the H4 time frame, you can actually see that now the structure there on that zone there is quite visibly tradable. There's enough pips in between this flag pattern we were talking about, but a breakout was inevitable, you understand? So now we're gonna go into the H1, and when we go to the H1 time frame, this is where now this setup or this setup or this formation that we're seeing here is mostly tradably. Like, if you want to trade it, it's best to trade this one on the H1 time frame, because as you can see, the highs and lows are very much like visible. You don't have to guess where a high is or a low is, a point of contact and stuff like that. You can clearly see them. I feel like if you go to the 30-minute time frame, it's a bit of an overkill on this one. So to go to the point now of me showing you this chart, after you get this descending channel, which on the daily time frame it looks like a flag pattern, but now on a H1, because it's stretched out, it is tradable, like I've been saying. The point of this one now is we have bought down here, right? We had bought down here because obviously you can see at the point of contact it would rebound. So this rebound was quite expected. We made money off of this one in the VIP group, mentorship group, and then now we broke out, right? So now this pair has been consolidating here, but I know when you look at the USD, the USD seems to not be doing like good in terms of compared to other currencies. But now when you look at it in the when you go back to the daily time frame, which is why I made this one in the first place, you can see that because we broke out of the out of the flag pattern I was talking about, this is a bullish signal, and most likely this was a higher low. So now we're gonna go and make a new higher high. We might do it there, we might do it there. You understand what I'm saying? So now going back to the H4, this breakout basically means that the bulls are still in control of this market, which is why I sent out a signal to my VIP members and also to the free Telegram group that's also linked in the description box below. Go check this one out, man. So the point here is the AUD USD is looking bullish. If you're not in it, you should be. You understand what I'm saying? So let's go to the next chart. So on the next chart we have the Euro USD H4, but we can just go to the daily time frame so you can just understand the movement of what's going on here, right? So the Euro USD ever since July, right? Ever since the 30th of July, we've been moving sideways. It's a ranging market. We basically get to the resistance here, and then we reject it, we go down. You understand what I'm saying? And then lately we had made a new level of support, which I'm gonna mark just now. So lately this is the level a new level which the market made, and when you're looking at it this way, you can see it's moving sideways. But I don't know, for us to even buy here, I feel like we need to see momentum in the smaller time frames, right? Because it's looking like it might break out now, but at the same time it's looking like it might push to the downside. So you might not understand what I'm saying exactly, but if we go to the H4, you will understand what I'm talking about if we go to the H4, which we are now. So looking on the H4, because you already saw these levels, why I drew these levels here on the daily time frame. Now when you go to the H4 fam, you will see that I drew this subtle trend line here that I drew here. So this is acting as my reversal line, you understand? This is acting as my reversal line, and in the past I would have had drawn it like this, so it would give me a buying signal, because I already know this market is a ranging market, so to speak. So I would have used it in the past like this, so when I get a breakout to the right side, I could buy into strength, you understand? So in that same context now, this is why I have this reversal line. I'm sure some of you would be asking yourself, like, why am I like having this reversal line? But everything I do is for a reason. I wouldn't just put it out there, and I'm struggling to put it back now, but it seems like I got it now. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, this one now, if bullish momentum peaks through and it gets there, right? If bullish momentum pushes through, and in the H1 time frame, yeah, if we start seeing more bullish candlesticks, I'm definitely gonna buy into this pair. But at the same time, there's a lot of chance that we're gonna break this trend line, and as soon as we break this trend line that I just drew now, that's automatically gonna be a selling signal, you understand? So just analyze this one and be prepared for whatever that may come, right? But for you, if you're inexperienced, just wait for a bearish signal. If you're not since you're not experienced, right? For those experienced ones, people or traders watching this video, I'm sure you know how to go into a bullish market. You understand what I'm saying? But for the beginners now, I would say wait for a breakout of this trend line. As soon as we see bearish momentum, sell this one into strength. If you see bullish momentum, it's gonna be trickier for you to enter this one, so just let it slide. All right, so let's go to the next chart. So the next chart that we have is the USD CHF. I spoke about this one last week. You understand what I'm saying? I spoke about this one last week. I think I might have to zoom out all the way to the daily so you can understand what we're doing here. So fam, we had this descending channel. I basically connected the high, the first high and the second lower high, and then the first high and the first lower high. I connected them, and then it also, like, obviously when the price came back, it rebounded there. Now now we're seeing the price decrease slightly further and further, right? And then this trend line now at the bottom, I drew it from this high. So I drew it from this high, and then I joined it with this low, right? And then it aligned perfectly. As you can see, the price came down here and it rebounded up, right? And then the two zones that are marked, this is the resistance zone this is the support zone. This is the point of where I didn't just use any support and resistance. I used the ones where the price makes the most contact with, you understand? So this is what I'm talking about. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 6 times now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times also. So these are the key levels. So now we can go to the H4 time frame. Going to the H4 time frame now, we can see, fam, the price made its way back up to the trend line. We rejected the resistance and now we came back below the trend line. What I'm waiting for now is to just go short. I'm gonna go short on this one. I'm not gonna say where exactly I'm gonna go short because that's saved for my VIP members. You understand what I'm saying? So just know that this one we're gonna go short. I don't know how you can go into it because I don't know what strategy you're using, but basically just wait for bearish momentum. As soon as you see the bearish momentum, I don't see why you shouldn't sell this pair. All right, so the bonus chart that we're going to talk about today is the USDs on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see a beautiful trend line. It's an uptrend, and then you can see the nice reversals we had. We had this reversal here, we had the second reversal, now we had the third reversal, right? So the level that I highlighted here is this resistance zone, which was a resistance also here, but it's now being turned into support. So what we want to see is the market gonna actually close below the trend line, or are we gonna start seeing bullish momentum? I really want to start seeing bullish momentum. As soon as I do see the bullish momentum, listen, this is gonna be one of the longest long-term trades that we're gonna hold, and then we're gonna still have like minor trades there and there. But all in all, this one, I just want you guys to keep an eye on this one. This is a money chart, ladies and gentlemen. This is a money chart. You just have to wait for a bull candlestick on the weekly time frame. That's it. I just gave you a simple ass strategy. Wait for a bull candlestick at this zone on the weekly time frame. As soon as you get it, buy and just hold. Buy and just hold. You understand what I'm saying? Alright friends, so that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you got some value from this chart. And if you're also looking at any other chart that I didn't mention out here, I'm just interested to know which charts you guys are looking at. Leave it in the comment section. Let us know, what are you looking at, what are you trading, and hopefully I wish you a successful trading week. I'm not gonna have a successful one too, so let's just get the paper. If you watched to this far, thank you a lot for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. I already said that I feel like, but I'm not sure. But listen, let's go right here and get the paper. Peace out, man.